In this video, I'm going to talk about the removal of scars or softening of scars. Now, we know that if you have had acne, you can have scars in your face. You can have an injury and can have a scar there. In certain people, there is a tendency for them to develop what are called keloids. Keloids basically are overgrown scars. There is a tendency for the black people living in, say, Africa. They have a predisposition to develop keloids. So that is it also can be seen in Sri Lanka, though not as huge or not as common as in the black communities. Now, let's say, for instance, acne scars. What treatments can be provided? It is possible to treat acne scars using laser. It is also possible to treat acne scars using dermal fillers. Then, dermal fillers, in addition to dermal fillers, you can also treat acne scars with PRP injections. So once you've done that, you can expect a softening by about 80%. What about a scar or a keloid? The scars also can be treated with laser as well as PRP injections. Now, if there is development of keloids, overgrown scar tissue, that can be treated with PRP injections. Now, when somebody is having keloids, it is actually a problem because it is difficult to cut it. You can cut it, you can remove it by surgery, but of course the predisposition to develop a keloid again is present in that individual. So you remove it and you get another keloid forming. So therefore, PRP injections can be used to treat keloids, and sometimes even after surgery of removal of keloids, you can use the same technique. Now, for keloids, some doctors use steroids. Steroids can be used. You can have softening of the keloid once you've injected steroids. However, as a side effect, you can get depigmentation of the area. So if that happens, of course, that can be a problem, but after some time that again settles and improves. So therefore, that is basically a summary about the treatments, some of the treatments actually, because there are other treatments that I did not touch on. It's a summary of treatments that can be carried out for scars.